So kung ano pa, Mayor, that's what we call irreconcilable differences. Divorce talaga, divorce.
Pero kung siguro hindi naman niya magsuntukan, binata pa niya. Pero yung to be in one platform, meaning in platform as yung anong pinandigan niyo, the things that you stand by in this world, the values, or platform yung sa stage. Baka magbagsak yung stage. O may mahulog talaga dyan.
And yet, Mayor, you thrice you were on a unity ticket. Who crafted that, by the way?
President.
Oh.
Ako, sabi hindi ko talaga maintindihan. It is the President actually. Kagaya niyang sabihin niya doon na ito si Duterte, he will build roads but he rides the helicopter. Alam mo, I'd be frank, I am really very thankful na nandito ako ngayon. Actually, at one time or another, if you remember, it was Nograles who brought up the idea of having helicopters here, remember, for the police. And one he said, that was the time na lumiligaw siya na wag na lang tayo mag-away. So you do not put up a candidate against me. I was really planning to field Acosta then. Tagal na. At ganon. So as a part of goodwill, sabi niya, tawagan mo na lang si Presidente. Tinawagan ko si President. But then at that time, we were overtaken by events because I was appointed as a consultant lang. Not advisor, because advisor is a cabinet level position. So sabi ko na, ma'am, how do I travel dito sa Region 11? No, Region 11 is a vast territory. Ito, nandito nakinig. Sabi niya, Rudy, tawagan mo si Mike, referring to the first gentleman. Yan ang sabi ng Presidente. So, tinawagan ko. Sabi ni Mike, we'll be sending yan. As a matter of fact, meron dyan eh. Ngayon, yung ano na kami, yung relasyon dito, yun lang yan dito kami, but I never severed my goodwill ties with the President, nor with, especially kay First Gentleman. So, nandiyan yan. Hindi naman kinuha sa akin, so ginagamit ko. Mayroon namang gasolina. Eh, sabi nila, yung negosyante, actually, may isang mutual friend. So, di kunin niya doon, sabihin niya kay Presidente, okay, First Gentleman, nakunin mo kay Rudy. Yan, nandyan yan eh. So, I resigned as a matter of principle. Sinabi ko sa kanila, huwag ninyong galawin yung mga police dyan because they are doing well. If you move them somewhere, itatapon ninyo yan sila just because you suspect that at once upon a time kasi, they serve as city police director. Used to be known as the chief of police. Ang tawag niya ngayon, city police director. Kaya ni Sid, General Peña. He was once pinagdudahan nila, sabi ko, wag. Pag ginalaw ninyo yan, mag-resign ako. Ginalaw nga. Di nag-resign ako. Then in my letter, I simply said, I am resigning as a matter of principle. Period. Di alis ako. Hindi naman kinuha yung chopper. I'm sure nakikinig sila ngayon. I'm sure the First Gentleman is listening to me. President is also listening to me. Yan talaga totoo. Iniharping niya, bakit daw na we go to places, the barangays, promising roads. As a matter of fact, there's, how do we know that what are the conditions of the roads? Kasi naka-chopper, binata. He was the one. He was who first floated the idea of having helicopters. He wanted to establish a goodwill na hindi kami mag-away kasi alam niya kung mag-election, meron talagang ilagay. It's either ako or somebody else. Ganun yan eh. So paano kami how can we
Talaga, irreconcilable talaga.
Ayan, I make it public now. Gayon nga. Ganun mo talaga totoo. Nandiyan si Presidente, pinapublic ko na. Nandiyan si First Gentleman.